What's the meaning of Clark Gable? Clark Gable. Clark Gable.
Clark Gable. Clark Gable. Clark Gable was an American film actor who appeared in nearly 100 films between 1924 and 1960. He was often referred to as the King of Hollywood and became one of the biggest box office draws of the era. Gable is best known for his role in the classic film Gone with the Wind. He won an Academy Award for Best Actor for his performance in It Happened One Night. Gable's iconic image and charismatic persona helped him become one of the most enduring stars in Hollywood history.